Hi everyone, it's Allycat Castle. Welcome, yes! And on this channel, I share with you unbagging, unboxing, as well as skincare, makeup, and fragrance reviews. And on today's episode, we will be doing an unboxing of, guess what? The Walmart Beauty Box! I'm so excited! I just paid $5 for this box, and guess what? This only happens 4 times in a year, exactly every season. So, this coming spring is going to be $6.98. So if I were you, sign up now at Walmart Beauty Box! Yes! So without further ado, let's open this beauty, and here she is. Here we go. Oh my gosh. And it actually comes with a card. And in this card actually has some information of the products that we'll get inside. And the first product is, are you excited? Because I am, the Bio Oil Dry Skin Gel. And the full size of this is $5.99. And this one is made in South Africa. Yes, and it says in here, this one clinically proven to improve dry skin with a unique formula that sinks right in, helping to relieve uncomfortable dryness for all skin types. Yes! Oh my gosh, I love oils. I hope this one works for me. And the next product is the Cetaphil Healthy Glow Daily Cream. Yes! And the full size of this is $16.97. Yes, and this one is, guess what? Made in Canada. Oh my gosh. And then this one is a lightweight cream that provides deep 48-hour hydration that improves the overall quality of sensitive skin over time. I actually love Cetaphil so much. I've tried their cleansers before, so I hope this one works for me as well, or works for you as well. And now the third product is the number 7 Retinol 1.5% Complex Night Concentrate. Yes! Oh my gosh, I'm 41 years old. I need some retinol in my life. And the full size of this is $34.98. Yes, and it says in here, experience the power of retinol while minimizing irritation with this skin transforming overnight treatment. And this one is made in the UK, United Kingdom. And let's open this baby. Oh, here she is. She's so cute. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Walmart. I need some retinol in my life to anti-age. How about you? Have you used retinol before? And I've heard so many good feedback for number 7 as well. Yes. So now the next product is the My Bite Vitamins, and here she is. Oh my gosh, and it says in here that the full size of this is $11.96 for 60 days supply. And this one is made in the USA with ingredients from around the world. Yes, sometimes I'm wondering where in the world are some of those ingredients from, but anyway, it looks good. So let's explore this baby. It actually says in here, satisfy your sweet tooth with a complete multivitamin enrobed in chocolatey goodness with layers of caramel, peanuts, and nougat. Oh my gosh, perfect 3 caramel, peanuts, and nougats. So let's open this baby. Oh my gosh, look at that. You get 4 of them. And each of them actually is targeted for a specific concern. So the first one is the red one, because this one is for multi-hers, women's multivitamin for overall health and immune support. Oh my gosh, I need that. The next one is the orange one for energy. And this one is a sweet boost to your day with caffeine and B vitamins. Do you think I need more caffeine and vitamins? Yes! And then the next one is the blue one, which is a multivitamin. And it says in here, a multivitamin for overall health. Good for the whole family. Yes! And then the last one is the green one, which is good for calcium. And then that one is excellent source of calcium plus vitamins D and K. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. And then the next one is the Carousel Intensive Foot Repair. And the full size of this is $7.84. And guess what? This one is made in the USA. And some of the benefits of this is, oh my gosh, visible results in 1 day. Exactly. It loosens hard, dry skin to exfoliate and deeply moisturize. Softens severely cracked heels and dry skin. Perfect for this coming spring and summer when we wear our sandals. And let's open this baby. Oh my gosh, look at this, a big size. Thank you, Walmart. Oh my god. And then the last product here is the, oh my gosh, the Hard Candy Sheer Envy Setting Spray. Yes, and this one is $6. And this one is 12-hour long wear, and it's made in the USA. Super excited. I also went online. Guess what? There's only one left of this for 50 cents. So if I were you, you may be the lucky one for that, 50 cents. So if you ask me, what is my verdict for the Walmart beauty box? It's a winner! It's a champion! Yes, how can you go wrong? It's only $5. I mean, it's gonna be $6.98 this coming spring for the whole box, and you get so much inside for you to try. Thank you so much, Walmart, for being so generous and for this most affordable beauty box that I'm so enjoying. Yes! So again, this is Allycat Castle. If you enjoyed this, please let me know in the comment section below, and please also don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and also please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet for more skincare, makeup, and fragrance reviews, as well as unboxing and unbagging. And again, this is Allycat Castle saying, let's all be kind and let's all be a blessing to others by telling everyone how beautiful everyone is. And if I may tell you, you are beautiful just the way you are, with or without makeup, and I love you. Yes!